Hey guys, moral of the story here, May 6th or 7th, Nebraska mushroom hunt 2020. Just wanted to point out something that I look for primarily when I'm mushroom hunting. You can see I'm at along a highway. It's a park with trails and creeks here and there. But what catches my eye most times is the bigger the better, but I believe this to be a cottonwood, most likely. Hard to tell. Missing half its bark, snapped midway up. It's dead, but it's not been dead long. And when I see those, I come in and I go right to the base of them and make like a 10 to 15 foot perimeter around it. And when they're down in banks like this where the water collects between two levees or two mounds, hills, whatever you want to call them, the water collects down in here, and this is a great spot to look. And you'll see right off the bat, you're already seeing some oysters growing up the side of it. Right here, it looks like somebody kind of dug out, like maybe someone was here before and maybe missed these early on, and now they're in their prime. One got a little, I guess all three of them got a little tiny bit of frostbite on the top, but good size. And we'll just pick these and look around the rest of the tree. While I'm down on my knees picking is when I like to scan up the bank, because a lot of times you'll have a better perspective and view than if you're up looking down on them. So there's three good ones there. Good, probably 10 to 15 grams a piece. So that gives me over an ounce, just those three right there. So I'm gonna go look for more trees like that. I was kind of iffy coming in here. Figured I hadn't had much luck here, and plus it's pretty a busy park, but I like to get to the out of the way spots and look for things like this, not just the obvious. So there we go, off to a good start. Maybe I'll be here an hour. We'll see how I do. There's three so far. I'll check back in.